Bales of cottons are used to make yarns. Yarn is a twisted fiber. First, the whole process, raw cotton is loosened and cleaned from straw and dried leaves. जो बैल बने हुए होते हैं that is the compressed cotton. So it will be loosened, उसे लूज करते हैं. Then it will be cleaned from ड्राइड लीव्स एंड स्ट्रॉज. इसके बाद इसे एक मशीन में डालते हैं जहाँ पे इन फाइबर्स में कॉम्ड होता है. इट विल बी स्ट्रेटन. दीज आर एक्चुअली इन द कर्ल फ्रॉम, तो वो स्ट्रेट होते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ रोलर प्रेस. एंड लेटर ऑन इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू लूज स्ट्रैंड. एक थ्रेड की फॉर्म में ये कन्वर्ट होता है. दैट थ्रेड लाइक फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड स्लीवर और फाइबर. Then this fiber is converted into yarn. Actually जो proper thread आप देखते हो it's yarn, and yarn is made up of 2 or more fibers. तो ये fiber या sliver को twist करते हैं and yarn is produced, and by twisting yarn will become stronger. After that, how this yarn is converted into fabric. Yarn is used to make fabric or cloth. तो वो कैसे बनता है? This is formed with the help of 2 processes called weaving and knitting. In weaving, 2 sets of yarn that are arranged together and a fabric is made. Yarn के 2 set use करते हैं. One is placed horizontally and second vertically. And after that, with the help of our hand or with the help of machine, these can be converted into fabric. तो ये जो मशीन इसे कन्वर्ट करती है उसे लूम बोलते हैं. When we use this machine or run this machine with the help of our hand, this is called hand loom, like you can see in this picture. But in big industries, this can be done with the help of machine, so this is called power loom. After from fiber yarn is produced. Big reel of yarn are used to make fabric. These reels are called bobbins, and these bobbins are used for making cloth or for weaving cloth. In simple way, how fabric is made, you can use paper strips. That in what way these paper strips are arranged. One goes from the bottom and other from the top of that. So in this way weaving is done. Generally in looms, yarn is placed lengthwise on the frames, and these frames are called warp. And second yarn is attached to the shuttle, and this portion is attached with the machine. This shuttle moves back and forth across the yarn, and later on we will get this arrangement of yarn, and later on cloth is woven. In knitting, a single set of yarn is used, like you have seen your mother or your grandmother to knit the sweater. Sweater जो बनाते हैं that is just with a single ball of wool. So in the same way, when knitting is done for making fabric, a single set of yarn is used. It can also be done by hand and also by machines. Generally sock sweaters, these are made with the help of yarn by the process of knitting. Now what are the uses of cotton? As you know, in our routine we are using cotton too much. So first use of cotton for making clothes of different types. Then cotton is used for also making towels, curtains, bed sheets, etc. This cotton can be blend or mixed with man-made fiber or synthetic fiber like viscose and polyester are made, and these are also used for making dress material. Then cleaned and sterilized cotton is used as absorbent in hospitals. Means whenever you get hurt and whatever cotton you are using, that is the clean and sterilized cotton. Bandage is also used, that is made up of cotton thread. Bandage यानी कि जो white color की पट्टी जैसा होता है. Whenever you get hurt, after placing cotton, that bandage used to cover it, that is made up of cotton. Dispersed cotton means low quality or whatever leftover cotton is there, that is used to fill in mattresses, pillow, and it is also used for making mop, just to clean the floor.